Dear students, in this video we are going to see about function definition and calling. Once again we are going to see one more example for the function definition and calling. So now I am going to give an example for the function definition and then how to call that particular function also. Suppose assume that you are one of the participant in the yoga. So if you are going to practice for the one time and then you can able to display for multiple times in various places. No, in the similar way we are going to define a function one time and then we can able to call any number of times. That is the main advantage of function. That is, we are reducing the coding part. Suppose assume that if you want to execute a set of statements for more than 10 times or 20 times, means you have to write that particular code for 10 or 20 times. It may takes around 1000 lines like that. So in order to save our time and then as well as to reduce our coding part, we are using the functions concept. So here we are going to see an example. The function name is a display. So before defining a function you have to give the key term def, and then under the display function I am going to have a variable name. In this I am going to receive different names to display that. So whenever you are giving the colon, automatically it will give the tab space. In the second line you can see the tab space. Now I am going to include the statements print, and then I am going to print the name, which is I am going to receive from the main program or the calling statement. We are going to receive these names from the calling statement. I am printing the name and then I am going to display the same address for 2 to 3 people. So whatever you are going to give under the double quotes, it will display as it is. Here the name is a variable or the parameter you are going to receive from the calling statement. So if you want to print the value of the variable, you have to give the variable without any brackets, without any double quotes. And then if you want to print anything, whatever you want to display, means you have to give within the double quotes. I am printing here as an SRMHS. Again the one more statement I am including to show you how the multiple statements are executed for many times without redefining again. What is a redefining? Writing the code again and again is called redefining. Okay, well, it's over now. Now I am going to call this function display. I am going to give the names as first name as XYZ. Actually what I want to display with the XYZ, and then the name of the school as well as the city. So here the display is the name of the function. So I am calling that particular function by naming the function name. As I already told, if I want to call a particular student, I should call the name of that particular student, so that particular student will respond me. In the similar way, if a function should respond, means you have to call that particular function. So the first name is XYZ and second name is ABC. Now we will see how the result of the program. Yeah, exactly. So the name of the student is XYZ and SRMHSS and Avarampalayam. Again it displays ABC, SRMHSS and Avarampalayam. So without redefining the code we are executing, we executed 2 times here. It's for the name XYZ and for the ABC. Yes, if you are not using the function, means you have to write the print statement for 4 times, so that we are reducing the 2 lines over here. So in the similar way you can have any number of statements inside the function. So only once you are defining, and then again you are calling that particular function again and again. That is nothing but you are saving the time as well as you are reducing the coding part. That is the main advantage of using the function. And reusability. What do you mean by the reusability? You are calling again and again. That is called as an reusability. Whenever there is a need, you can call it again. So this is the main advantages of the functions. You can also try this particular program, and then if you are having any doubt, you can WhatsApp me.